how to create a YouTube channel. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube channel using a Gmail account. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. Let's get started. Step 1, sign into Gmail. The first thing you'll need is a Gmail account. If you don't have one, go to gmail.com and click on Create Account. Fill in the required information such as your name, desired email address, password, and phone number. Once you've filled everything out, click on Next and agree to the terms of service. Step 2, go to YouTube. Now that you have a Gmail account, open up your web browser and go to youtube.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Gmail email address and password, then click on Next to sign into your YouTube account. Step 3, create your channel. Once you're signed in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page in the drop-down menu. Select Create a Channel. You'll be asked to choose between using your personal name or creating a brand account. For this tutorial, let's go with a personal name, and then select a unique username for channel handle. Step 4, customize your channel. After choosing a name for your channel, you can customize it further by adding a profile picture and a channel banner. To add a profile picture, click on the camera icon in the center of the profile. Circle Upload a photo from your computer or choose one from your Google account to add a channel. Banner, click on the Customize Channel button that appears when you hover over the banner placeholder. You can either upload an image or use the YouTube gallery to pick one. Step 5, channel settings. Now that your channel is created, let's take a look at the settings. Click on the Customize Channel button again and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Here you can also select your country and also install your channel's keywords, which will show your channel in the search. And as though here you can edit your channel description, add links to your social media accounts, and set up other preferences like privacy settings and notifications. And that's it. You've successfully created your YouTube channel using a Gmail account. Remember, creating content and engaging with your audience is what YouTube is all about. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.